guys, for today's recipe, we're going to make sushi vinegar, which we use in making sushi rice. You can make a big batch of it without putting it in the fridge, and you can use it for a month. Here are the ingredients that we need. So let's start. All we have to do is mix all the ingredients in a casserole and heat up the vinegar just a bit, so that we just need to speed up the melting process of the sugar and the salt. We're just gonna make them to be dissolved. We don't need them to bring to boil. We just need everything to be dissolved, and that's it. Alright, I'm going to turn off the heat now because everything is dissolved now. And once it is cooled down, we can now put it in a container. Put on a cover and it is good for a month. And that's how to make sushi vinegar. Just stay tuned to my channel because I'm going to show you how to make sushi rice.